Hello everyone. Today we will be studying about nomenclature in organic compounds. What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with carbon compounds. Organic compounds mainly contains carbon and hydrogen and is its main constituents. In addition to it, it also contains nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Why is organic nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature, is necessary in organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is a vast branch as millions of organic compounds are already known and thousands of new compounds are being added to this list every year. In order to facilitate the study of such large number of compounds, it is necessary to classify these compounds. And in order to classify these organic compounds, the term nomenclature comes into the picture. What is nomenclature? Nomenclature means the assignment of names to the organic compounds. The naming of organic chemistry as the numbers are very large and the variety of molecular structure exists within the molecules. The field is more complex. They are mainly trivial system and IUPAC system. Nomenclature can be classified into two types, that is trivial and IUPAC. Trivial system is the name which is given originally as known as the individual names. The examples are acetic acid, which is named as vinegar. Formic acid is obtained from red ants. Similarly, oxalic acid, urea, uric acid, all are derived from botanical or animal sources. Methane is a Mars gas because it produces masses, etc. etc. What is IUPAC system? These are trivial names. And what is IUPAC? IUPAC stands for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. By using the IUPAC system, one can name any complex organic compound easily. The name assigned to an organic compound on the basis of latest IUPAC rules known as systematic name. The systematic name is the name which is given in accordance with IUPAC system. What are the features of IUPAC system? The compound can be given only of one name, and the system is helpful for making the complex organic compounds. This system is helpful in naming multifunctional group. If a compound contains more than one functional group, it helps IUPAC name helps the that compound to name that. This is a simple systematic and scientific method for nomenclature of organic compounds. What are the rules? There are we have to study about four features actually. That is root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix, and prefix. There are the rules of naming any organic compound. What is root word? The basic unit in organic nomenclature is the root word. Chains containing one or four carbon atoms are known by special root words from C5 onwards by Greek number roots. C1 is called meth, C2 eth, C3 prop, C4 but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec, undec, dodec, C13 as tridec, C40 as icos, C30 trachont, C40 tetrachont, C50 pentachont, and so on. What are primary suffixes? Primary suffixes are added to the root word to show saturation or unsaturation in carbon chain. If the molecule is saturated, that is containing one single bond, it will be called alkane. The suffix are added is "-ane". With one double bond, the suffix is "-ine" and the name will be alkene. If one triple bond, the suffix will be "-ine", IUPAC name will be alkyne. If it's saturated with two double bonds, it will be named adyne, like alkadine. If saturated with three double bonds, atrine, alkatrine, and so on. The compounds on the given in the above brackets are example of carbon chain mentioned above. Like this compound are having four carbon atoms, therefore it will be butadiene. Like four carbon atoms, it will be but, and adyne will be the suffix. And secondary suffix. Coming to secondary suffix, they are added to the primary suffix to indicate the presence of particular functional group. If like organic compound contains any functional group like alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, etc., etc., a suffix will be added. Like alcohol, OH group is there. It will be all CHO, double bond CO, or C double bond OOH. Carboxylic acid is OH acid. Sulfonilic acid will be SO3H. Amine NH2, amine thiol, SH group. If CN group is present, then nitrile ester or C double bond OOR dash will be O8. Amides will be amide, CONH2 group, and acid halide will be oil halide. Now let us see some examples and how the names are joined together, like root, primary, and secondary suffixes. For example, alcohols. The root word is alk. primary suffix is "-ene", secondary suffix is "-ol", then the IUPAC name will be alkanol. If the alcohol is unsaturated, like it contains a double bond, the root word, primary suffix "-ene", secondary suffix "-ol", alkinol. If a triple bond is there, alkinol, alkynol. If presence of aldehyde this group is there, it will be alkanal, and ketones alkanone similarly. What are prefix? Now we'll be studying about the prefix. It is kept in mind that alkyl groups forming the branches of the parent chain are considered as side chains. Atoms or groups of atoms such as fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo, nitro, alkoxy are referred to as substituents. Root words are prefixed with the name of substituents or the side chain. The IUPAC name. The IUPAC name which are following should be right in this manner. Like prefix, root word. I'll be showing you like this. Prefix, root word, primary suffix, then secondary suffix. The prefix will be first, then followed by root word, then followed by primary suffix, then followed by secondary suffix. Okay. Now, well, let us see some examples. This is a compound, and we have to give the IUPAC name of this compound. First, we have to determine the longest chain present. The longest chain present is C1, C2, C3, C4. It will be considered as 4 carbon atoms. Therefore, it will be bute. Okay. At first position there is C double bond OOH. Therefore, it is a acid. Okay. At 3 position it is bromine group is present, and 4 it is normal CH3 group. Therefore, it will be 3 bromo butanoic acid, because C double bond OH group is present. Get it? C double bond OH. C double bond OH group is present. Therefore, it will be 3-bromo-butanoic acid. Okay, let's move on. This is some example. Let us say that it contains 5 carbon atom in the main chain. We can consider this also, like we can see that here is the 5th carbon atom, and we can place the 5th carbon atom here also, because both will be same. At 4th position there is a methyl group present, that is CH3 group. At 2 position there double bond is present, that is in, and at first position there is alcohol. Therefore, 4 methyl pent, 5 carbon atoms, 2 in, 1 all. It's not a tough job. It is called 4 methyl pent, 2 in, 1 all. Okay, let's move on. The third example, the compound has 2 the compound has 5 carbon atoms in the main chain, and would a triple bond in the second carbon atom. Therefore, it will be called 4 methyl pent 2 ionic, and C double bond OH group is present. It will be called 4 methyl pent 2 ionic acid. Okay, get that? We can see at beginners level we can study it by this prefix. Methyl group, root word is pent, primary suffix is a wine, and secondary suffix is oic acid, and the number of carbon atom is 5, and we can arrange it by 4 methyl pentan oic acid. This compound can be called as 2 methyl propan 2 ol, and these are the bond line structures. The determination of IUPAC name is same. We can see that this from here. These are some few more examples. You can go through it. Okay. Okay. Thank you. This is all. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe to the following. Thank you.